Hi, everybody. It's Professor Bruno here. I wanted to take a moment to give you guys a mid-course announcement, get you guys some motivation. I know it's kind of like that Wednesday midweek hump. We're in the middle of the course. You're feeling a little frustrated, feeling overwhelmed. You still got some assignments and outstanding assessments and discussions due, and you need some motivation from me. Just remember, there is no substitute for hard work. Isn't that what Thomas Edison once said? You got this, guys. Let me be your backbone. You are not alone in this. If you need help, please reach out to me during office hours. Email me, call me, make it a point to make an appointment to speak with me. I'm happy to assist you. I know going into week 7, a lot of you are feeling overwhelmed that you have your research paper due. I have posted a number of resources to help you with this in the doc sharing area of the course. I have also posted a couple of helpful announcements, especially in regards to APA and referencing, and or some additional resources and tools where you might be able to find some additional information on the topics that you guys have been given for that research paper. Please break it down into chunks. Don't wait till the last minute to try to submit your paper. And please don't feel like you're in this alone. Reach out to those of you that are in your group. Reach out to me. Let's break it down. We'll work through it. You've got this. Just remember, as long as you're doing the hard work and you put the time in and you utilize your resources, you contact me if you need help or guidance or you're confused or frustrated, we can work through this together. Just remember, there's always going to be a rainbow at the end. Have a good day.